Oh, phew, I almost got...
It's been 99 days since you've been away. You should leave a trace, cause it's already one if you see it.
Are you sure you want to wear the dino pajamas?
Yes!
Little weird, but okay.
Dad, I sleep on a couch while you drive a Tesla. I think there are bigger issues here. Also, I'm 99% sure that deer thing is gonna come get me.
Nah, that'd be crazy.
Oh my God! Is that the guy who makes his son sleep on the couch?
Oh my God, it's been 99 days and it knows my name. Something stalks the night, breathing down your neck when you try to.
The dino pajamas?
Yes!
Hello, it is me, Big Labubu. Why are these steps so small? Why are you running like you're the victim?
Put your hands up.
You literally were gonna shoot my friend.
Cry, cry, cry.
So it all started when I was little.
Cry, cry, cry.
You're not a very good therapist.
Yeah, cry, little girls. Hello, Bill. It's a boss. Bill. And Bill. All right. Bill.
Oh God, my therapist is chasing me. Wait a second. You're not a real therapist, are you? Oh, it's nice to meet you, Gloria. Wait, that's not my name.
Oh, she thinks your name is Gloria.
That is so obviously wrong. Ayo, where did the music?
With a wave of my hand. Yeah.
Oh my God, that actually hurts a lot. What if you had missed and hit me right in the eye? You have to be careful. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
Cry, cry, cry.
Something in me says, you're not a real therapist.
G for Goofy, 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 Goofy song. G for Goofy, 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 Goofy song. G for Goofy, 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 Goofy song. G for Goofy, 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 Goofy songs. Okay. Oh, it's only double.
Dude, this guy just actually threw me.
Gary,
F is for funky, funky.
Ow, 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 ow. Nothing could possibly go wrong.
You know, I still can't get over the fact he threw me. Like, that is messed up, right?
Oh my God, put me down.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah, I'm going. Yeah.
Oh man, I wish I had some sort of ram to come and change my life.
I'm leaving this.
Hey, it's me, Aram.
come with me. Oh wow, I can't believe that worked!
Oh man, I hope this ram knows how to cut hair. Oh wow, okay. Sorry to have doubted you.
My physique was born for beauty.
Dude, stop training only one arm. I am the ram.
But now you are literally doing the same thing.
1, 2, 3. Go away. Yeah, go away. I'm leaving this place behind. I'm leaving this place behind.
You have statues of yourself? Remarkable. It appears human women have no qualms with a ram as a partner. Who would have been able to theorize this?